Hi everyone, this is Jane from Plexipoles, and I wanted to demonstrate that we have two different types of connectors now, something new. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this on two cameras at once. Those of you that used Plexipoles before know that we use this type of base. It's all one piece with this type of screw. You see that up there as well. One second. Now the connectors, there's two connectors available now. So one connects pole to pole, and this one connects balloon to pole. So if you use this, you'll notice that the screws are much lighter now. So if you won't see two big white screws at the top or the middle, wherever you're putting it. And it just connects one pole to the other. And you've probably seen this before. The purpose of this, of course, is to make your system more versatile. If you want to add 1 foot or 2 feet together, you'd use these to connect two poles together. And the other one, which is more new, I'm using this small pole so you can get in the video, is this one. It has the connector on the bottom. I'm going to show both screens. And we've made 2 good size holes at the top. So I blew up this 16-inch. It's not blown up all the way, but to give you the idea, but this will work with a 3 foot or any size. It works well. An easy way to feed, and I tied it with the 260, but the easy way to feed this through, you can just feed it through the hole, but it's easy if you just take a paper clip, open it up, you see that? So I put it in the hole, put one side in. You want to pull the balloon from the inside out, so it'll be nice and tight. You can see that. And then you just turn it around, do the other side. You want to feed it through that hole with the paper clip in. I'm sorry it's bouncing around like this. And I should be showing you. Yeah. And then you put it in there. And pull it through. So now you have the balloon like this. The paper clip away so I won't pop it. And the knot goes in the middle. And tight as you can. Like I said, I've done this with the 3-footers, with bubbles, with everything. I'm using different color balloons just so you can see how it works. The tighter you tie it with the latex, of course, the better. And then you just attach it to the pole. And what this does for you is that you can put a balloon on top without having to put a cluster underneath to support it. I should have brought the scissors, but you cut these off. You get a very clean and clear look. So, those are the 2 connectors. One's called a pole connector, and one is called a balloon connector. And even if the balloon loses a little air, because there's no helium involved, if it loses a little air, it'll still stay in because the 260 is like an elastic, and it'll just keep pulling it down as long as you tie it nice and tight. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can email me with questions at info@plexipoles.com. And I hope you're all doing well with COVID. I know it's difficult for everyone, but it's almost over. Have a great day. Let me say hello to Jopie and Crazy Foot. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.